Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to filter for all monetized videos on your YouTube channel on a Mac computer in the year 2026. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for YouTube. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Now let's go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut on bookmarks. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Content. We now want to go to Filter, Monetization. Click on all the monetized videos, or click on the monetized section to get us to every single monetized video on the channel within the videos themselves, because we know shorts are all monetized. If you have one short, 5, 50, 500 shorts, every shorts video will be automatically monetized on YouTube now. However, videos can or cannot be monetized depending on if you wish to have them monetized or if they are not monetized by the system. Monetized, apply. Let's now scroll to the bottom, and we have 612 monetized videos on the YouTube channel, Computer Science Videos. Let's now click on the most viewed videos to confirm what is at the top of the trot within the videos for this channel. So that's 612. Correction, 694 videos. Go to shorts. We also have 62 videos that are shorts, also monetized. So quick calculation, 694 plus 62, and we have, just to confirm, we have 756 monetized videos on the YouTube channel, Computer Science Videos. So we can now go back to videos, quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.